Hello everybody and welcome back to the Virtual Simmer YouTube channel. Hopefully everybody's having a great day. And today we are on Westby, Wisconsin Forex, episode 47. And today we're going to be starting off by selling some soybeans. As you can see, we're all ready to start doing that. We have almost 13,000 bushels to sell, and they're selling for 43.92 up at Hilltop Grains, and that's where it maxed out at. So, jump right in. Already got all these guys ready to go. Just gotta hit the button. Grain bins and go. This guy will probably get stuck in his gear as per usual, because this is what this guy does. So yeah, last episode we got all our soybeans planted. All these, and then we also sprayed our cornfields. So yeah, now we're into June here, and it's time to start selling soybeans. So yeah, I'm gonna let these guys run for a while. Shouldn't take too terribly long. I would guess at most an hour. Cause this thing hauls how much? 11.55. It's been a while since I've used these. Or since I can't remember how much they hold. Okay, it's in yards, so I don't know what that means in bushels. Okay, so it holds 320 bushels per gravity wagon, so 640. Yeah, so it should. So they're both. So all of them collectively haul like 2,300 bushels. All when they all do one round. So, of course, this guy's stuck. So I'm gonna be doing this a lot, it seems. And once they get going, though, he seems to not get stuck in such a low gear. So yeah, 23 or 400 bushels each load, and we got, what did we have? 13,000, so it's gonna be like 6 loads-ish. 6 rounds there and back, so not too bad. And it's probably about 5-10 minutes each round, so it's gonna take an hour. Alright, well, I'm gonna start the time lapse, and hopefully everybody enjoys. Alright, well, as you can see, we are done selling soybeans. I decided I would just, I don't know, find them here instead of at home. So it looks like all our soybeans are gone here. And we sold all of them for about 600,000, but let's actually take a look. 605. So harvest income is 563 plus another 48 basically. So $605,000. Not too bad at all. So let's go sell. Repay all this back quick. Maybe. And a million clicks later, there we are. I keep that much for repairs. So $1.14 million we have. So I'm gonna get all these tractors and trucks parked away. And then I'm gonna fast forward time. Next month I gotta mow my grass. So I'll probably knock that out on, not on camera, but I'll do it in July here. And then I'm gonna have to mow again in October. And then it's harvest. So that is probably the plan. So I'm gonna get my mowing done, skip through the summer now, and then I'll come back when we're ready to start some corn harvest. So we'll see you soon, and hopefully everybody enjoyed the time lapse. I was making a lot of money. Soybeans are the best. You make a lot of them and you don't yield so much, so it's easy to take care of. Less to bring up to sell and less to take off the field, so it's nice. But yeah, I will see you when we're ready to start some corn harvest. Okay, a few hours have passed, and we have finally made it to October, where we are ready to start some harvest. So, first things first, we cut our grass in July, and now we just, again, cut it in October. And now, I need to buy something, another truck. Yeah, we're gonna buy another truck, because our cornfields are big and far away. This should be plenty for, hopefully, some money on harvest. Here, I'm gonna check out the truck, make sure I don't get the same stuff. So this is gray. Let's maybe do like a red or something. What's the truck I have already? I have this one, okay. How much horse did I buy before? 460? Really, that's it? I wonder if I want to get a bigger one. I don't think I will. For now, this will cut it. 460 or 880. I see why I went with the 460 now. Alright, so let's stack this thing up. Triple axle. Okay, let's start over. What's the best one here? Mayhem rim, apparently. Tall 45s. Single curved. Straight single. Dual curved back. That's probably the money. Yep. That's the one. 389 or 567. 567 looks nice. Side window visors. Oh yeah, for sure. Wet kit? Not sure what that means, but sure, yeah. Government BS, I like it. Definitely painted then. That's funny. Government BS. I like that. Factory, aftermarket, factory. Aftermarket looks pretty solid. Grill. Billet? Billet with guards. Factory. I think I like the factory better, to be honest. Deep V. Factory, I think, again. No. Yeah. Factory it is. Wow. Okay, that's a bit much. I don't want a low bumper. Cow pusher's probably where it's at. Tag axle, of course. What kind of question is that? Alright, so we got a gray one. Maybe we go white. Ooh, I kind of like that. What is it? Pearl? Pearl's maybe a better color. Rim color black. That's blue? What? What do we do? Chrome. Maybe we do white and chrome. Do that. And no plate, of course. Alright, there is that truck. Boom. Now we'll go get a white semi. There we go. Semi trailer. I'll do white because, yeah, white. Black rim. Actually, we'll go chrome since truck is chrome rims. Alright, sweet. So we now have 2 semis, which will be sweet. 62. How fast do I have this thing set to? Okay, I did leave it at 62. Good to know. Alright, oh, yeah, this rig looks pretty solid. This is a secondary rig, so it won't get used as much, but it'll get used for selling and harvest, of course. Here's what I did differently between these 2 trucks. So I'm gonna look at this one and then go to the next one. Okay, it looks pretty darn similar. Besides, I think I did the aftermarket on this and not. Did I do the same pipes? I did do different pipes as well. Okay. That's a little different. That's cool. Little variety. That's perfectly okay with me. So sweet. We got 110,000 for just hiring and stuff like that. Just some money, which is probably a good number to keep. So I'm gonna get ready to start on some corn harvest, and then I will be back when we got everything to the field and ready to go. Alright, got the course all ready to go. It's time to start the pitter-pattering. First corn of the year has begun. Let's do it. We're starting at 7 o'clock. I'm gonna guess I'll be done with corn harvest by 11, probably. It'll probably take 4 hours, at least. I got just these 2 little fields, and then I got this big field, so my guess is it'll take 4 hours to do all that. Ish. 4 hours-ish. If I had to guess, that'd be my guess. So, get these guys rolling. I have to get this order of my equipment figured out, so I'm not tabbing around all the time like I don't know what I'm doing. Hide the lines, because it looks like crap. If I don't, because there's a million of them. And that is one of the better things that I've discovered through, not discovered, but like figured out with GPS and running gravity wagon and grain cart. Every time with gravity wagon and grain cart. Okay, oops. I always get those 2 mixed up, but that is one of the better things I've figured out with GPS for running grain cart. So just whenever you get on the heading that the combines are running on, and every time you pull up to them, just get on your line and hit your cruise, and you just go with them. Works out great every time, all the time. So it is a good thing to use, and if you use GPS, I would absolutely recommend you doing that, because it works out very well. So yeah, so we're jumping into first corn field, so you know what that means. It's time for a time lapse. So hopefully everybody enjoys the time lapse. Alright, well, field 1 of harvest is complete. Heck yeah. So that is, how many truckloads did I have? 4? Plus this one? This will be 4, almost 5. Yeah, this will be almost 5. Not bad from this little field. But I did just lime it, so we are going to check the yield. I'm assuming it is like as good as it gets for this soil. Because it should be, because it's max nitrogen, max yield, all the things. Oh yeah, this part is really good. But this little bad part of the, yeah, it's the loamy sand, that's why. Not the best. Here we go, yield. Not the best kind of soil, but that's alright. It is what it is. That's all you can do. Get this guy sent back now. Go bye-bye. And then next, gonna be jumping to field 38, 39. Boom, not truck 2, truck 1. Same with this guy, 38, 39, truck 1. Make sure he's actually going there. But yeah, hopefully everybody enjoyed the time lapse. And now I'm going to get into the next field because harvest doesn't stop till it's over. Just hammer it out. How's the weather looking? Partly cloudy, perfect. So 45 minutes later, we're done with one field. The smallest field. May I include, I suppose, probably should. But that's alright. That means there's more money left out in the fields here that we're gonna be grabbing. It's gonna be a good year for making some money, so yeah, I'm just gonna continue along with corn harvest, knock this 38, 39 field out, and then I'm gonna jump to the monster field as well. So I'm gonna guess that field is probably gonna be a 3-hour course at least. So that means it's 3 hours of the combines moving at full speed the whole time. So it'll probably stop at least once, maybe twice, going around the headlands, because those headlands are massive. There's a monster field to go around, so yeah, I'll be back in a good few hours, so we'll see you then. Alright, well, we have completed corn harvest, and my prediction was a little bit off for being done at 11 o'clock. It's 12:20, which isn't terrible. And this field, look at this course. It is ridiculously huge. But that's alright, we got it done, so I don't even care. We got her done. It was a 3-hour and 20-minute course? Yeah, that sounds right. Like 3:22 or something. Oh, we do not need to send this guy back. I'm just gonna leave him parked here for now. Get him refueled and cleaned up for soybean harvest. Here in a day. Just give a day. As per usual. But that won't be this episode, because I'm gonna wrap it up here. But let's see what we pulled in for corn here. Corn. 38,722 bushels. That's with 130 yards dried already. Which I unfortunately have no idea how much that is. Unfortunately. Where is tricorn? There it is. A yard must be a heck of a lot more than a bushel, because that's 276. Oh god, yeah. A yard is a lot more than a bushel. But this is 1,000. No. This must be per bushel. Yeah. I'm not exactly sure. I wish stuff like this would stay in bushels, but unit convert mod isn't the greatest converter, but it does great for most stuff. It's just, actually that's more of the map that converts it into a what would that be called? It goes from a crop to a, like a, I don't know what the word is, like a process thing, because this is in yards, to a bulk kind of thing instead of, yeah, it turns into a bulk. It goes into the bulk category and then it calls it yards. I'm not exactly sure how that works, but That's right, I don't need to know, I guess. So yeah, that is gonna be a wrap for today's episode. So hopefully everybody enjoyed, and next video will be soybean harvest, and that is gonna be even bigger than our corn harvest that we had. So yeah, hopefully everybody looks forward to that. I know I am. This field's gonna take me with 40-foot headers probably 4 hours, if I had to guess, if not longer. I feel like it took me 2 hours something to plant it, so 4 hours would probably be about right, but that will be a later problem. So yeah, hopefully everybody enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.